welcome. I'm Armin Krom. Welcome to this new video. We are finally going to try and fix. We are going to fix the Unimog, the Funkkoffer, aka the radio truck, the Unimog 404. Because, well, I did a little bit of, I did a stupid. Yeah.
Explain to them how you should, what you should do before you drive into something.
Proper off-roading, you should always check how deep a mud pool is. Don't get excited and just drive in something without thinking, because then you might end up with something like this. Yeah. So, I know for a fact that a lot of parts went to hell. Yeah.
I'm not sure what. The clutch is ruined.
The axles are leaking fluids all over the place.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's hope that's it. I mean, well, yeah. So let's see if we can fix her. Nah, we're just gonna fix her.
We're gonna do it.
Nou, laat eens kijken dan.
Let's see what the damage is. It's not supposed to be there.
Oh, that is doable. Dat ziet er nog enigszins oké. Oh, oké.
Yeah, not sure.
Het is. Doe maar eens hier op de banden uitschudden.
God. Are you supposed to do that? No. Are we doing it? Yes. Maybe take the back off.
It's just a little bit of sand, nothing much. It's just like
That's the first thing.
3 cubic feet of sand or something.
Surprise, surprise. Don't lose the screw. Put it in your hand.
Thank you.
Look on this side. Oh, this is sand. Hold on, let me show you this. Rust. Rust. Sand. No sand. That's sand. That's, oh my god. Oh god. Hold on. Let me see.
Oh crap.
I can take it off.
Yes, there we go.
It's not too bad. A little bit oxidized, I think. There goes the hammer. That's this is probably why it isn't starting. I think that shouldn't be there. Yeah. Is this a cover or? Yeah, this is a cover.
Ietsjes kanten. Trek eens eraan. Ja, trek maar. Ja, ga maar door. Oh, die is helemaal gepolijst. Even kijken.
Something.
Ja.
Dat
Ja,
heeft
inderdaad.
Hem,
Dat
heeft hem gedaan.
kijk, hier zie je echt. Kijk, dat is het probleem.
That's why we can't.
That's why the clutch isn't working anymore. Because it's, hoe noem je zandbak op zijn Engels?
Sandpit, desert.
It's just
You know,
what that.
that
Yeah.
area the kids play in with the sand. That's what it is.
It's damn. Yeah.
I'm gonna take that apart. Gee, why isn't it working?
I don't know. Ben ik zelf niet aan het kruislings doen, zag je net?
Ja.
Do as I say, not as I do. Hij houdt echt heel erg vast. Oh, weer.
Ja, dat ja.
Kijk. Oh.
Nice.
totally forgot to film getting the gearbox out of the Unimog, but we had to replace it because, well, there's a little problem here. I mean, we've noticed it by accident that there was a lot of metal inside the gearbox, like real metal shards. So we've been looking further into it, and apparently, well, there's something in there that does not supposed to be happening. So I can take a look, and you can see that this is the gear for the 4x4, and it normally it just only rotates, but now it actually lifts up and down. I don't know if you can see it. This one, unfortunately, well, it has to be rebuilt or something. And here's also the old axle.
We also forgot to film it.
We also forgot to film that. We were supposed to film this.
Yes.
This is the old one.
Sand.
Yeah.
The thing is with this sand, it's got really hard. It's almost like cement or something. It's
almost concrete.
It's
but
so weird.
You can see if you film here. This is all oil. Everything the dark. It's leaking all over the place. It's leaking on that seal. It's leaking on this seal. It's leaking on the seals on the inside. I mean, this seal is also leaking.
And it's probably leaking brake fluid somewhere. We're not sure where.
Yeah. Also, it has a lot of give. Here you can actually see it here in between.
There's a gap.
There's a gap that's not supposed. So this, unfortunately, this front axle is just. It served its purpose. It's 40 years old, and now it needs a total rebuild. But luckily, we found some new old stock axles for it. So we are going to put the new old stock axles on there. So yeah, she's going to have a completely new drivetrain. Almost completely new drivetrain. Here, yeah. Well, we are sitting here because we found a lot of broken parts on the Mog.
A lot of broken parts.
So we had to
a lot of sand.
more sand. A lot of sand. But lots of broken parts, so that means a lot of parts we had to order. Because, well, I knew we had some things we had to change, but I didn't have all the things we needed to change. So yeah. So this is where we have to end this video. And, well, when the parts arrive, you'll be there with us and see what's inside of all the boxes, I hope.
I'm curious.
I'm really curious.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's hope that after a quick fix, we'll have her up and running again. And he can enjoy her.
Yeah.
Because, well...
the new proud owner.
Yes, he is. He's very proud. So, like and subscribe to see more of our adventures and more Unimogs with more friends.